So I'm Max from Bristol in the UK. Travelled here a few days ago, but yeah. When it's been more of like a gradual thing for me. Probably started when I was mid-20s. Started to recede a little bit, and then noticed it started to go like towards the back as well. And it was never really something that I thought about doing anything with early on. And then as time went on, I think more and more of my friends came like to Turkey to explore having hair transplants, etc. And then obviously that got my attention, and it got to that point where I'm now 31 thinking, if I spoke to a few people that had done it, and all of them basically said the only regret they ever had was not doing it earlier. I thought it was at the right time for me to sort of do something about it, take some action. So ended up here. I don't know, I'd never felt like it really affected my self-confidence. However, I think it probably has done, but in without necessarily me realising. Just like little things I noticed that I'd often wear a hat, but then I quite liked wearing a hat anyway, but maybe that was a way of my subconscious also kind of putting a spin on me trying to maybe cover it up, but then I don't think I never really worried about it at the same time. So, but hopefully going forward I should feel that I won't have that issue anyway, so then it'll maybe just be that I like wearing a hat, who knows, we'll find out. I didn't necessarily know exactly what I wanted, but the guys here definitely, it was an easy process. They sort of guided me through, everyone's been brilliant, and yeah, it's come out exactly how I imagined anyway. So yeah, I'm looking forward to what it looks like in the future. Obviously at the moment, it's very different to how it will be. Great for me, because obviously I knew roughly what I wanted, but it is good to have a little bit of experience. It is again so efficient, but yeah, it gave me more confidence than anything that there was multiple people to talk to. You could talk to someone the whole way through if you wanted to ask any questions. There wasn't any resilience to me asking for something different. But yeah, it's really good. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I've sat through having tattoos done. Definitely isn't any worse than sitting there for a few hours. So, and then after that, you can't feel a thing. So procedure-wise, again, anything I needed the whole way through. If I need to go to the restroom, have a break, just ask, and everyone was always accommodating for whatever I needed. So I couldn't complain at all. I felt really relaxed the whole way through. Everyone was really, really good. Obviously got a bit of time to watch a few films, etc. So no, just thank you. Hi, thank you for you've all been brilliant. Everyone's been really supportive. With asking how I am every day. Even the guys that are picking me up. Oh, how are you? How are you feeling? Making sure I'm not hitting my head. Everyone's picking my stuff up for me. I almost got free hands. It's brilliant. But yeah, everyone's been really good. Yeah, I can't fault it at all.